In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Algorand crypto step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com using your Binance account. And the second step is to choose any of these payment options to buy BUSD. Now, these payment options will differ according to your currencies. Now, for example, I want to choose USD and this will show on your screen. But since I'm in Philippines, I will choose PHP. And among these payment options, I will just focus on P2P trading. But if you want to choose credit or debit card, cash balance, and third-party payment, I will show you how to buy BUSD using any of these payment options. For example, if you want to choose credit or debit card, let's say you want to spend 10,000 PHP, and I will receive, for example, for example, if you want to choose to buy BUSD using your credit card or debit card, for example, I want to spend 10,000 PHP and I will receive 178.81 BUSD. Let's click continue. And then you're gonna need to add your bank card here. And you just need to fill up this information and you're good to go. As for the cash balance, if you want to use cash balance to buy BUSD, you can type the amount of euro you want to spend, but there's no USD here. So you can select any of these currencies to buy BUSD. As for the third party payment, you can type the amount here and you can pay with Google Pay, Simplex, or Banksa. Now, let's focus on P2B trading. Now here you can see, and now you can see here the BUSD. Just click here and you can type the amount of PHP you want to spend here, your fiat, your payment. There are a lot of payment options here. And as for the available region, you can choose any region, but I'm just gonna leave it just like this. Now you can click buy BUSD here and then type the amount you want to pay. Once you have bought BUSD, make sure that your BUSD is in fiat and spot and not in funding. Once you have confirmed that your BUSD is in fiat and spot, you can now go to markets and you can now type your coin. Let's type down ALGO and click ALGO here. Scroll down and you can now type the amount of BUSD you want to spend, for example 88 BUSD, and then I will receive 409 ALGO and click buy here. Now once you have bought ALGO, you can now go to your fiat and spot and check if your ALGO is in your fiat and spot wallet. Now you can type the coin. Let's type down ALGO and here. But since I did not buy ALGO, there's no value here. And we're done. If you have any questions about how to buy Algorand, comment down below.